Alright, hey, how's it going everyone? So, this video is kind of similar to the other videos where I'm talking about self-improving and how to make better content on YouTube. And so this one is just more of like things that I've noticed over the years of doing YouTube. And so this main video theme is about like how to improve your videos and make like kind of like better content. And so kind of like what I've noticed when I first started doing YouTube is that I didn't take constructive criticism too well. So like whenever people make comments about my video, or like even in YouTube comments, like I didn't really listen to it, or even friends and family, I'm like, nah, they don't even know what they're talking about because they don't even do YouTube, so what would they know? And so, but they're the ones that are watching the videos and they're giving suggestions. So that's just one of the things is like I was very hard to take like that kind of criticism and apply it to like actually like learn and make better videos. And so now that I've been like really into YouTube this year, that I actually been taking like criticism and tips of other like YouTubers that are doing well, and then applying like those ideas into my own videos. And so that's kind of like the main premise of this video, is that if people are giving you constructive criticism, of course take what they're saying with a grain of salt, but at the same time acknowledge like what they are saying and actually try to think about like how you could be improving and applying like what they're saying into your videos. And so hopefully this does like like ring any like bells for anyone, because like for me, I just had, when I was making videos, I just had the blinders on and I was just doing my own thing. I didn't, like someone said like, oh yeah, I'm trying to do videos on this, that, this, and I'm just like, I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm gonna do what I want to do. And sometimes that's good, because then you know what videos that you enjoy doing, and that's kind of like the whole point of YouTube is creating videos and enjoying the whole craft and the process of doing it. But at the same time, if you want to be like improving and then making better videos, those comments and stuff, try to take them like more serious. And so for me, I didn't take it all serious at all, and kind of do regret it. I probably could be maybe a lot more subs, but that's like my own thing. So hopefully this helps out anyone that is watching, because I don't know, when I was first starting YouTube, I just felt like I wanted to do everything like my way. And every time like someone like suggested like, oh, you should try doing like this approach when you're doing your videos. Oh, I noticed you started doing like B-roll, you should do this and this. Oh, check out this video, this guy really knows about like B-roll stuff, blah blah blah. And then it's like, oh, your drone shot, try to do this. And I'm just like, I don't know, I guess I was like more overwhelmed with all the suggestions than like anything else. And so every time I got like suggestions from people, I just ignored it, and then I did like my own thing. Because I think during that time, I remember I was pumping out like 2 videos like every other day. So like every other day I'd have like a video, or I'd be live streaming for 4 hours. And I was also going to school full time, so I had like a big schedule, and pumping out videos was definitely like overwhelming. So yeah, so whole premise of this video is like, if people are like trying to suggesting, or trying to give you advice when you are creating like videos, and they're like friends or family, try to not put your blinders on and like totally ignore them. They probably do have something like knowledgeable to say, and take it, like I said, with a grain of salt. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I don't know, this feels like more like a rant than anything else, because this is just something I've been thinking about, and I'm like, oh, I just gotta say it. So yeah, so if this does help anyone, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that awesome stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.